Na-miss namin mag-Tex-Mex barbecue. Yung tipong malasa na food. So, pumunta kami sa Gringo, sa SM Mega Mall branch nila. This resto specializes in delicious hearty meals and their signature sauces, like the lemon herb and hot habanero sauce. Okay yung group meals nila, at ang lasa, hindi tinipid. Main offering nila, classic Latin at Mexican barbecue flavors, ng juicy chicken, ribs, shrimps, tacos, pastas. Meron din silang desserts. They have for sharing platters, different combinations siya ng mains and sides, and pitcher of soda. And of course, yung specials nila like shrimp platter, wagyu, steak. They have a casual atmosphere, may pagka-vintage vibe din, which I definitely like. So here are the details. Marami na din silang branches, so check it out. Yung lalo na yung accessible sa'yo. They accept cash and card payments, so yun lang. Follow for more.